let this coronavirus situation, man, throw you off. Like I said, it's the government. They doing this shit. They the ones got shit going on. These motherfuckers been wanting to bring in the National Guard. They been wanting to make this shit New World Order on some anarchy type shit. Been wanting to do the martial law. You feel what I'm saying? They already setting up places where, you know, they call it quarantine, trying to make sure that motherfuckers ain't sick, having no outbreaks that's gonna spread through the community and the population. But in all actuality though, what else are they accomplishing with these quarantine stations? They're able to section people off into a designated area of their choice for however long they choose. You see what I'm saying? Your area that you live in could be a quarantine zone. They can tell you and your family that you can't come outside or you cannot leave this certain mile radius of some type of camp. I'm telling you, man, concentration camps coming back. They already, listen, man, they already been clearing out Walmarts all over the country. And this was before the little coronavirus popped off. You see what I'm saying? They already been cleaning them out. You can go to YouTube and you can look this up. They got places that you can look up and you can read on, and you can actually see video footage of them putting together gated communities on some concentration camp shit, like for real. So now, while we killing each other, alright, we cutting off all the little bit of help that we do got. While we hating on each other, being enemies not working together, we losing. And we falling behind every day. Like, as a people, as a whole. Because what's really going on, they gonna try to hit us with some shit that we not ready for. And we not ready for it because we so focused on the dumb shit. Everybody trying to be the flyest, trying to be the biggest, the baddest, the richest. You see what I'm saying? When we supposed to be concerned about our families, our well-being, our health, what's to come. Like, for real, man, get your life right, man. Get your mind right, man. For real, like, if you ain't tight with God, get tight with him. If you got a relationship with him, get closer to him. But we gotta stay focused, man, like, for real, because right now these are trying times. And I don't think my people really woke like we need to be, because we so caught up in the frenzy of the virus and what the news saying, what people saying. But in all actuality, we forgetting about the real truth. It's just like 9/11. It's just like every other thing that has went on with the government, man. It looked one way to the public because that's the way they supposed to present it to us. But truth be told, man, a lot of shady shit going on, man. For real, man. They got places, man, that's safe zone for certain people of certain rich calibers, certain circles. Some of these secret societies, you can't even just be rich. You got to be connected with certain people as well. So it's a lot of shit going on. You feel what I'm saying? For real. A lot of shit going on. Gotta watch yourself, man. Watch yourself. For real, man. Shout out to all the supporters, man. All the subscribers. Shout out to all the fans. And shout out to all my kings and queens. Salute. One love, y'all. Stay woke.